What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now in today's video, first of all, let's take a quick pause. Look at this mirror, girl. This is stunning. I'm gonna do a quick little announcement before we dive into today's review. On March 8th, next Friday, I am doing a big restock of the Blood Sugar palette on my website, and I'm launching this beautiful new pink chrome mirror. I'm obsessed with it, have to do this color. The rest of the mirrors will be restocked soon, but this will be launching. Now, also I have a brand new makeup bag launching. It is a big daddy. I know you guys live for the JSC makeup bags. Here is a really big one for travel. We're gonna zoom in and show you guys all the little monogram prints that are into the vegan leather, of course. Now, it is big. It has 2 zippers. It comes stuffed. And there's a lot of room in here. So let me just take out all the paper. Hi, thank you. Here's a palette. There is so much room in there, yes. So these will all be launching on Friday, March 8th. Now here's the gag. If you buy any accessory or fashion item on my website, you get to pick a free lipstick from a selection that we have chosen. Hi, free lipstick, how are ya? All right, now this big daddy will be retailing for $40 and this fits so much stuff. I've been secretly bringing this on my travels and I am living. Now, besides that, I am finally restocking because I've been getting so many emails. Hi, remember when I used to do music? The Prom Night Jeffree Star vinyls. Yes, this is in the shape of a star and it plays perfectly on any vinyl record machine. Now, if you buy this, you also get a free lipstick. So of course, y'all know mama ain't playing with the deals. Now, besides that, I have a really big announcement. If you guys have not heard already, the Morphe Jeffree Star brushes are coming to Ulta! Yes, literally in a few days. If you're watching this in the future, baby, they're out. But March 3rd, they will be officially in every single Ulta location here in America and on their website. Oh my God, I am so excited. This is my first presence in Ulta, and I am just over the moon. It is gonna be so amazing for you guys to be able to walk in, see the store like displays, and just like, whew, I can't wait. So now that that's over, let's dive into the Riviera palette. All right, you guys. So Norvina and Anastasia Beverly Hills announced the new spring collection a few days ago, and I was actually shook the house because it's kind of hard to get me off in the makeup realm these days. Everything has been done before, but this brand has been consistently bringing it over and over. Now, here is what the palette looks like in the PR kit. Let's open her up a little bit. Ooh, hi. We all have our opinions about every single brand. Not every launch is gonna be a hit. We all know that. This launch though, packaging on point. I love the entire theme. I feel like I'm about to jump on a yacht and just have an orgy. Now here is what the packaging looks like. I love it. It feels like, I don't know, it just feels very like beachy. I feel like I'm like in the ocean and it's kind of hard to feel like that. Let's open up this bad bitch right now. Hello Riviera, how are ya? Now this palette will be retailing for $42 just like their other palettes. There is 14 shades in here, and I do want to note that I was reading the packaging and this palette is made in America. Now a lot of the times Anastasia Beverly Hills will make their palettes in China, but this says eyeshadows and pressed pigments made in USA. Work. Not that there's anything wrong with China formulas, obviously. They've been killing it in the past, but this is manufactured in America and there are a few pressed pigments. Hi Blood Sugar, hi James palette. We have some pressed pigments too. It says Bahamas, Canes, and Palm will be pressed pigments and the rest are all eyeshadows. Work, love that. So we're gonna create a look today, maybe one look here, maybe one look there. Let's see where the wind takes us. Besides that, we have some loose highlighters to try, and bitch, this, I've been dying to play in this. We're gonna open this right now. This is the new Dewy Set Setting Spray. Let's open it. The packaging, oh, when I saw this on Instagram, I was like, okay, work. Here's what it looks like. Now you may be like, girl, this looks a little similar to MAC Fix Plus. It is $1 cheaper. This retails for $26. Of course, the glitter packaging is amazing. I love it with the white cap. It looks stunning. Now, there is no glitter in the formula. It is just the packaging, so there won't be any shimmer on your face or anything like that. So this has 3.4 fluid ounces, and it's supposed to smell like Norvina's favorite scent combination, coconut and vanilla. I can't wait. Now, all these products that we're reviewing today do launch on March 4th on Anastasia's website, and then retail will hit on the 7th with everyone else. So let's dive in and see what the hell is gonna be Jeffree Star approved. A few more tidbits about this. First of all, let's open it up again and let's see what we wanna do today. I am living for this Bahamas moment. Like that needs to go maybe in the inner corner. The purple is giving me life. Maybe that's like under, smoke it out with some brown. Maybe that Mediterranean kind of like bluey gray frost up there. There's a lot of moments in this palette. Okay, I guess let's dive in, everybody. Now, of course, we are doing no brows today. I love my alien fantasy. Of course, we're gonna prime my lids before we start with the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I use this for every review. And we're just gonna coat our lid to brow area fully. Let this dry for 5 seconds and we are ready to begin. Of course, you can use any primer if you want, no primer. It's really all your preference. So I'm gonna take the Morphe JS4 brush, which of course is for highlighting, but I love with the no brow moment. It's just like cover an area easy. So we're gonna do a lot of blending today. We're gonna go in with shade Sails, which is the top left, full white bone color. Let's see how this looks. Oh wow, that is definitely in there, wow. So I like to start as like a little base and just put it everywhere, so when we blend colors, it's just gonna blend seamlessly. That color laid down really nice. It is a good base. Now, I wanna go ham already. I wanna take that hot pink Bahamas and go right in that inner corner. A lot of people have been doing that lately. I live for it. I haven't done it in years. So let's just take this. Now, this shade is a pressed pigment, so I'm gonna take this little Morphe M431, and we're just gonna pack this in the inner corner and see what happens. Let's go right here. Oh wow, hi pink. Now whenever there's a really bright shade, I like to just lay it down carefully. Oh hi, that's pink, hi. So I'm really gonna pack this in. And I'm gonna take my time so it doesn't get really crazy. Especially with neons, you wanna be careful. Now with pressed pigments, I love to pack them on and then blend more later. And this looks really cute. Wow, all right, that pink laid down really cute. I may do even like a little highlighter here in a minute, but this looks really cool. Let me do the other side and I'll be right back. Wow, this pink is sickening. All right, now look, I have seen it all. We've done it all. It's kind of hard to impress me with a palette. I think that this color story is really cohesive. I love it. Obviously, I haven't tried everything yet, but just when I first initially saw it, I was impressed because it's all been done before. If I see one more brown and neutral palette, I'm gonna rip out my hair and then probably transplant it back. All right, so let's get down to it. I know this is looking really cotton candy and fun, so let's just keep taking it there. I wanna do the under eye already, just kinda like drag that purple. I think it would look stunning. But before we do that, I am going to take JS5. It's this little guy right here, and we're gonna dip into shade Monte Carlo, which is this really, how would I describe that? It's like a soft watermelon-y pink, kind of. So I just wanna kinda take that and add a little bit to this pink so it's not so harsh and just kind of blend up really delicately. Ooh, I love this. Feeling very Mama Mitchell right now. Okay, this shade Monte Carlo is really pretty. I'm just kind of delicately softening and blending it up into the shade Sails that we laid down first. So it's gonna look very airbrushed and just like, hi, editorial, how are ya? All right, you guys, this is looking cute. Now we're gonna take shade Palm over here, and we're just gonna use this little JS6 brush, hi. And we're just gonna lightly dip into her and saturate this brush. Now this shade is a pressed pigment, so I can only imagine she's gonna look real cute in this lid. Let's tuck this right in my deep set crease and create some depth and dimension. Now see how I'm taking the brush and I'm just lightly going up and giving it that really nice, soft appearance. Harsh lines, we don't know her. And then if you want to soften any edge, you could really go back in with your highlighter brush or whatever you want to use. You could dip into Sails or whatever you want to do, and you can just go right over that to give it that really, really nice, smooth look. Bam. All right, that brown went on really pretty. I love how this is looking. Now let's really take it there. I think I wanna go in with shade Seychelles right here. Beautiful metallic. Now I always wet the brush. I will do it without it so you guys can see. You can also take your finger. Now I have long nails again. When I had no nails, this was so easy to literally take your finger, right? Bam. And just look at my eye. My fucking nail will stab me right in the eye. Press that right on the lid. This is what Lipstick Nick does all the time on set, and it just kind of jump starts that shade so you can kind of see what you want to do. Oh wow, hello honey. This is my type of look. I know it's not that wearable for the everyday girl, but baby, this palette has color. Let's use some damn color. All right, so we're gonna take this brush, and this is what I use to put on the primer with, and we're just gonna pat it on the lid. Wow, this blue is sick. I would literally do a look with just blues. Okay, now let me just take it and pat it into the pink so it starts to blend. Hi. Now I think the only thing this palette is missing is like a dark navy. I would love a dark blue instead of brown sometimes, but that's my only thoughts. Everything else is very cohesive. Now there is some fallout on my nose. I did not wet the brush. I will wet it for this side, so let me just take some setting powder and wipe away that. All right, I'm gonna press this on the center of my lid one more time, and then we're gonna wet this side and see how it looks. If it looks intense, like most metallics do, I will add maybe a little more on the other side. Wow, that's really pretty work. Now, of course, we do have their own setting spray. Should I just wet the brush with that? I've never used it yet, so let's just chill. Okay, let's dip in. I'll do this other side. So this side is what I use on the right eye. Now let's flip it and let's go like this. Oh wow, I think it's gonna be really nice, y'all. Definitely gives you like full metal and less fallout when it's wet. Woo, I'm feeling pregnant. It's coming together, looking funky, looking really cute. Now I'm dying to go in with this purple. I gotta see how it looks. Purple shadows are very hard to perfect. All right, so let's dip into shade Cannes right here. I actually went to the Cannes Festival once. Hi, memories. All right, so we're just gonna dip into here. Oh, bitch, that looks like a lot of pigment. So let's go in and just mix this right in with the pink. Oh, wow. Okay, we're just gonna drag it under the lash line and blend it in. Alright, I like to take my time with this so it looks really nice and blended. And then what I like to do is I'll take a dry brush, like a brush that has no product. This is stained. And I'll take a different color just kind of like to blend it out. So maybe I'll like barely tap into that one, right? And then I'll dip into Monte Carlo. Amazing. This is looking like cotton candy heaven. Ooh, okay, I'm definitely feeling this fantasy right now. I want to add some white liner in the waterline and some lashes. So I'm going to use my MAC Fascinating White Eye Pencil as usual. I'm just going to take that. Now with bright colors, sometimes they get in your waterline, so you want to be careful that nothing's in there, no residue. And I love white because it just makes the eye really pop and look so pretty. Wow, I love how the white liner looked. I'm gonna go quickly put on some mascara and lashes off camera and suck off Nate, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on. What did I use today? Style Miami from Lily Lashes, a classic. I live for these lashes. They look so pretty. Wow, hi look, this is coming together. I'm wearing Mannequin Liquid Lip for my brand on the mouth. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury in the center, just for a laugh. Oh, I love this combo. Hi new lips, how are ya? Let's test out some highlighters. Let's try this spray and let's keep it moving. So we have a new product from Anastasia. Let's take it out. This is from the PR package I got this morning. And these are loose highlighters. Now, first of all, love the glitter. Let's open it up. Now there are 3 shades and I love the components. You guys know I live for glitter. Now, not a lot of brands do real glitter packaging like this. Let me just take out the shades. So I want to commend the brand because, you know, listen, from someone who manufactures and makes makeup, I know the cost of goods on a lot of stuff. I know how much money it takes to invest in things, and to do a custom cap like this that is coated with glitter where it feels like flawless, no gritty, like no weirdness, y'all know what I mean. This feels seamless, and I know this cost a lot more than a normal black cap, so high investment, we live for her. Now there are 3 shades. This is a loose highlighter. We have Snowflake, Sunset Aura, and So Hollywood. All right, so quick information. These will be retailing for $25 each. They have 6 grams of product in there. I wanna try it. I don't know how the brand is applying it. It's a loose highlighter. We're gonna do exactly what we wanna do. Probably a brush. All right, so this is what it looks like. It comes sealed. Thank God I have tweezers because these nails. All right, let me take some of Snowflake and let's just put some in here. Ooh, it almost looks like snow, but I see the pearls in there and it looks stunning already. All right, let's take one of my highlighter brushes. Anastasia also has an amazing highlighter brush right here. We can do both sides, we can do whatever. I'm not gonna wet the brush. I'm just gonna put some on here. Oh wow, it coats the brush, so I don't wanna go overboard. I mean, Don't I always though? All right, let's see what this looks like. Oh! Oh, that's icy, bitch. That is icy. All right, living. Wow, if you are really fair, this highlighter is gonna be perfect for you because it is like, okay, looks like Facetune, I'm living. Then let's just take it and put a little bit above this look, like, good morning, America. All right, I just opened up So Hollywood. Let's see what this looks like really quickly. Now, the third shade, Sunset Aura, is very dark. I am not gonna put this on, I would look crazy. This one might be a little too dark for me too. Let me just see how it looks on the finger. We'll do a little, oh wow, shit's gold, this thing. Let's just do a little like moment here. Oh wow, that is like gold. I mean, this shade is everything. I mean, yeah, let's try it. I mean, we're here, this is what we're here for. So we'll really coat the brush. This is the Anastasia highlighting brush. I always use this as well as my own. Let's go over here and let's see what it's gonna look like. Oh, wow. Ooh, that's pretty. That is really nice. I think this side is obviously way more like bam and impactful. Maybe because it's lighter, so you're like really getting the like full shebang, but I'm really loving this side too. So let me just do a little bit up here, just like we did on that side. Oh, wow. All right, we already took this out earlier. So I was just watching Norvina, aka Claudia, the president of Anastasia. I was just watching her IG stories. And of course she was saying this packaging is full glitter. The formula inside has no sparkle, no glitter, and no shimmer. This is to give you a kind of dewy look and basically get all the powders and everything just kind of like blend together into your skin, and it gives you kind of a soft, dewy, not oily look, allegedly. We're about to use it. Let's see how it smells and sprays. So of course it turns this way, and that is when it's activated. All right, so let me take this and let's see how it sprays. Ooh, that's powerful. Oh wow, it smells really good. Bitch, I'm hungry. Okay, all right, here goes nothing. Let's give it a whirl. All right, let's let that settle into the skin. I always take a sponge and just kind of like press in any setting spray. Now, this isn't to fully set your makeup, which is why it's called the dewy set, obviously, which I live for. How does my skin look? Do we see any difference? What do you guys think behind the camera?
Yeah, that's good. It makes the highlight pop more.
Ooh, oh wow, the highlight does look a little crazy in the best way because I live for that. It definitely made my skin look less powdery, I think, off the bat. I don't want to go like haywire and have it dripping off my face, but this is really nice. And wow, okay. So this look is complete. I'm gonna take a hit and then let's dive into my final thoughts. All right. Let's do this. All right, so I can't, it's not like I can't believe it. I am just shook that really nothing went wrong today. Not that I was surprised because Anastasia always brings the quality most of the time. Let's start off with the Riviera palette. Now they are basically kickstarting 2019. I have seen a few palettes come out already. Haven't been that impressed with it. This one, definitely love the color story. It's different, it's speaking to me. It has a signature Jeffree Star pink in there, so I'm already gagging the house. Love the packaging. Formula, there was some fallout. It's eyeshadow, we know that. Was it extreme where I wanted to cry? Absolutely not. I think the formula was amazing. They're obviously using a different lab here in America. It blended like a dream. Of course, the blue shade I think had the most fallout for me. Until I wet the brush, then it was totally fine. So this palette, bitch, I'm living for it. Now, the spray, we just used it. I like it, I think it's really pretty. I'm not looking like sweaty like they were saying, but we're feeling the fantasy of dew, honey. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's talk about the loose highlighters. Every brand on the planet has a highlighter. Every single brand, whether it's in a palette, a loose, whatever it is, you just gotta pick what highlighter you are living for. And I'm someone that loves to use new makeup all the time. Some of you like to stick to your favorites. I get it. I like this. The formula was sickening. This shade is everything. This one over here is cute. It's a little more on the subtle side, but the swatch was blinding. So I think you can definitely layer them for the price point. I think it's worth it. And look at that, you guys. Wow. Let's say it all at once. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, loose highlighters, and dewy set are all Jeffree Star approved. Yes! I had a really good time playing with makeup today. I haven't just sat down and done my makeup in a minute. Life has been so hectic. I am off to another meet and greet next week. I will announce that soon. And then I have a two makeup classes in Dallas with Lipstick Nick. There is so much travel. And then I'm back to Amsterdam and Europe end of March and April. So baby, what's up? I will see you guys all very soon. Thank you for watching today's review. So sound off below, what products did you like? What were you living for? Did you hate anything on me? Today I actually have zero hate in my body. Rare. Thank you for watching today's review. I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Love you.